Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the model from the Lego Creator Set 31040, and this is the first model, which is a Jeep. So this Lego Creator Set has three models. Today we will be making the first model, and before starting, please like and subscribe to my channel. So now let's start assembling this car or Jeep. So as you can see, I've got these pieces arranged in order. So now the first step is you need a black color piece which has 6 rows and 2 columns. You need 2 red color pieces which look like this. These have 2 rows, 1 column, and you need a gray piece which has a holder over here, and last you need a black color piece which looks like this. It has 2 blocks over here in the inner side and 2 in the outer side. So take this black piece. These 2 blocks should be at the rear end of the long black piece. Take one of the red pieces, place them in front of the black piece which we just put. Then take this light gray piece, place it in the front, and these should be fitted at the bottom of the black color piece. Take this red color piece and place it behind this gray piece. Now the third step is that we need 2 of these wheel holders. These are 2 cylinders over here. Place these on top of these 2 blocks like this. So now the gray and red and the black and red which over here, they're joined to this. These are the rear end wheels, these are the front wheels. Now just turn this over. Now you need two rows and 4 columns pieces. It's yellow in color, it's basically a square. Take one, place it in the front. Now this is the top side. And take the other one, place it at the back. So now only 4 blocks of the long black piece is being seen. Now you need 2 of these black color pieces which look like this. They have 4 rows and 1 column. You need this is the front part. It's basically fitted inside this. I know it's maybe a number plate holder. So just take this. There's a small cylinder over here which will fit in like this. Press it hard. Now it can move. The other 2 dark gray pieces, place them on these 4 blocks which were left on the long black piece. Now the long black piece is not visible. Now coming to the red color part, you need 2 of these red color pieces. These are basically the mud flaps of the wheels. They are curved from the sides. There are 4 blocks which are pushed down and 2 blocks. It has 2 on the top. It has a big large hole in at the bottom in between these 4 holes. Place this on these 2 yellow color pieces. Now the yellow pieces are not visible, only the holes make them visible. And you need a normal red color piece which has 4 rows, 2 columns. It's flat. Place them on these 2 dark gray pieces. So this is how our Jeep is looking right now. Now you need 1 holding piece which holds the front lights or the rear lights. Take this. Then you need a black color piece which has bars across it and 2 front light pieces. These are transparent and these are flat from top. Take the holding piece, place the bar piece in the middle two blocks and these two lights at the sides. So this is how the front part looks. Place it on top of this number plate holding piece like this. You have to keep this a little front. If it's at the back, this won't fit. So just put it at the back like this. Put this and now do this. Take this over here. Now you need another holding piece. It looks like this. Then you need two of these dark gray pieces. Look like this. These have two rows and one column. And you need a yellow square shaped piece which has 4 blocks. Take the yellow piece, place it at the rear end. There should be one row left at the back. These two pieces right in front. So these 3 blocks actually, they are covering the mid part of the Jeep. This holding piece, place it at the last 2 blocks which are at the rear end. This will hold the rear lights. Moving on to the 9th step is that we need 2 of these red color pieces which have 2 rows and 1 column. Place them on these 2 depressions over here. So now if you see from side view, all the 3 blocks are equal. Even from this side. The 10th step is that we need this piece which we put over here. This is shaped like a laptop. Then you need 2 of these black color pieces. These are single blocked. So take the rear end of the Jeep, place these 2 single block pieces on the extreme sides and this laptop shaped piece in front of these. In between these. Now you need one window. It's basically a transparent block, and you need 2 black color pieces which look like this. These hold cylindrical parts. Take the window piece, place it on these 2 blocks over here like this, and the other 2 blocks over here. So I had lost one of these pieces, these cylindrical holding pieces. So I just took a blue color piece which I had in some of the other sets. So if you don't mind, I've put this over here. Now moving on to the 12th step, you need seats for passengers to sit. Place them on these 2 yellow blocks over here. So now the passengers can sit over here. There will be 2 windows over here again, and then the driver's compartment. See, I told you, just in front are these 2 windows. Sorry about that. These 2 over here. These are same as this piece. These are the transparent blocks. And then you need 2 of these barred pieces. These are basically the engine. These, anyways, this is basically the engine hood. That was what I was trying to say. Now you need 2 of these laptop shaped pieces which we put over here in the front and even at the back. Now you need 2 of these dark yellow fluorescent light pieces. place them on the outer blocks of the laptop shaped piece. They are not fluorescent, they are neon actually. Place these two pieces on the windows over here in the front. So now the windows are not visible from top view. Now you need two of these 4 blocks piece, which they are actually smooth from top. Place them on these two pieces like this. So now the top part of the cylindrical holding part and the extreme sides of the laptop shaped part are not seen. And then you need a black color piece which has bars. Place it at the rear end, the 2 blocks which were left over here. Now you need these red color pieces. These will hold the ladder shaped piece over here. Place them, if this is the front of the car, place them vertically. Both should be in the same direction. They should not be like they should not be like this, otherwise they can't hold the piece. They should both be in the same way. Moving on to the 17th step, you need this ladder. Place this part on these two like this. So now it can move. Now you need a red color piece which looks like this. It has 2 rows and 1 column. Then you need 2 of these black shaped pieces. These are basically inclined and they have a space over here. Take these 2. The place where the space is left, place them on this red block. So now the blocks of the red block are not visible. Take this black part, place this red block over here like this. This is the rear end number plate. There is no number actually because it is a Lego set. Now you need 2 of these red pieces. These are lights and they are square shaped. Place them on these 2 pieces of the red piece. They are the extremes. Now you need a dark grey piece which is circle in shape. It has a place for holding 4 blocks. So it will be holding these 4 over here like this. It has a hole in the center which is very small, and you need 2 of these. Oh, they are not 2 of this, but sorry. You need this stick, this light grey. Place this over here like this, and this piece is shaped in a spray piece which is used to spray water in plants. Place it on the other side. So both the cylindrical holding parts are occupied by these 2 pieces. The stick should be on the left side and this spray piece should be on the right. Now last step is that you need the wheels. Place it on the 4 holders like this. And now our first model is finished. See you in the next video. This is actually meant for kids from 6 to 12 years of age, but I believe this can be made by children of 5 years. So now I'll be seeing you in the next video.